Hey friends, subscribe to my channel if you are new. Also don't forget to press the notification bell so you could be notified for every new video uploaded on my channel.
Hey friends, today we are going to be unboxing the Eyeball Rocky headphones, one of the best headphones for YouTube videos and gaming under 500 rupees budget. So now without wasting any more of your time, let's get started. So friends, this is a boxing of the headphones. Now you might not see any extra packaging over it because I haven't bought it from the online market, but I bought it from the offline market. On this side we get the MRP of it, which is cost me for 600 rupees, but you can get it for cheaper price online. Right. So now over here we get some written of the Eyeball Rocky, which says over here that you can do internet voice chat, multiplayer internet gaming, other language training, and speech recognition. On this side over here we get the Eyeball Rocky, all the specifications written on it. So I'm not gonna go through all that, you can read it later on. And now we're gonna be starting to unbox the box. Alright, so over this is the box, everything. Now we're gonna remove the tape over here. So the bottom pricing, you get it for around 440 rupees on from Paytm Mall with 98 rupees cashback. So now you can buy it from Paytm Mall if you wish to. On Amazon it's more expensive. So now we're gonna remove the box and put it on the side, and now we're gonna see the headphones. Right, so we're gonna remove the plastic from here which we get with it. So we're gonna remove it, put the plastic on the side, and see the headphones. The headphones are quite good and its quality is really good and amazing. I was amazed with at this much price and with such a good headphones. Got a really good nice body and feeling it's really big. So this is the mic, and on the top we get a nice spongy feeling over here, so we get a nice support. Right, this is the headphones, and it actually looks really great. It's nice and stretchable, it don't even hurt your ears. This is the length of the cable, which is 2.3 meter, which is actually really long. And now this is the volume control, which we get over here. Roll up to make the volume low, and roll down to make the volume less. This is the cables over here. One is for the one is for the mic and one's for the headphone. I'm gonna remove the caps over here. Now actually the voice that I'm recording right now is from the headphones of the mic from these headphones. So I'm gonna put the caps on the side, and you can also hear the voice clarity is really good. Now I'm gonna just quickly show you through the headphones and how they actually look from a close look. Right, so this rubber over here isn't really good quality, so for a long time it won't really stay, they might get damaged. But actually for this price range I'm really amazed that you can get such nice headphones. Right, on the side of here it looks really amazing, it feels really nice, and you can pull this down over here to just use the mic. So the overall the headphones is really amazing, and the cable length is also much big. So I'm really amazed with these headphones, and they are really cool and amazing. So I do recommend you to buy these headphones for under 500 rupees if you guys wish to buy. So all the download links to buy these headphones, all the links will be provided in the description below. On Amazon you'll get it for around 500 rupees, on Flipkart you'll get it for around 550 rupees, and on Paytm Mall you'll get it for around 440 rupees with the cashback included in it. So I do recommend you to buy it from Paytm Mall, and on Amazon and on Paytm Mall both you have to do online payment, and on Flipkart is available on cash on delivery, but it's really expensive on it. So overall the headphones are really good, and I do recommend you to buy it if you want to buy the headphones under 500 rupees budget. So that was all for today's video guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and if you guys did, then do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you are new, don't forget to press the notification bell so you can receive a notification whenever I upload a new video. Share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to comment below if you guys got any queries related to this video or you want me to make a video on your topic. Thank you guys for watching.